Hi, today in front of you OPPO Pad Air, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So let's first launch Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Then go to the settings and tap to voice section to Google Assistant section. Then click to Hey Google and voice match, and you'll see here Hey Google switcher. We should tap on the switcher to activate it. Then just tap to next. I agree. Continue. And not now. So now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. And if you want to change your voice model, you should click here to voice model and to retain it assistant to recognize your voice. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.